Hi, welcome to Vision Classes. It's a classes for IGCSE, GCSE, AS and A-level students. So today, we have to discuss the differential equation question from the A-level paper. It's February, March 2025, means previous year paper. So here, this is our website as well. You can see on the screen. If you go on A-level part, fine, you will see the mathematics, further math, physics, chemistry, bio. Here you will see the this left hand side part. You will be having notes part. Fine, so this is mathematics. You will be having pure math, pure 2 and 3, then mechanics, statistic 1, statistic 2. These are all are for $30. So here you can see the pricing as well. Fine, CIE 9709 pure mathematics. Fine, so what you will get in this part, just let me show you. For pure mathematics, it's if you look at it, all the book type notes, past year paper questions, and the practice questions are there. Fine, you have a many questions are there. So I particularly actually did the research on this part and included all these questions in this part, and this is actually your syllabus for 26, 27 and 28 as well. Till 28 you will be having any problem, so no need to buy any book. Just refer this website. You can do the extra questions. So suppose if you want to do the practice questions on the differential equation itself, you have two chapters are there: separable first order differential equations, and then initial condition modeling interpretation parts are there. Fine, so yeah, that's it. So we'll jump onto straight away question answers. So here we have, yes, you can see this one. You have a pure math 3 February March 2025 question 6 you have. So this question we will discuss it, we will understand it. Fine, yeah. So we have given that variable x and theta satisfies the differential equation dx by d theta is equal to x by 5 plus 1 sine square 2 theta, and here initial conditions are given: x is equal to 5 when theta is 0, right? And solve the differential equation, obtain the expression for x in terms of theta. So simple steps are there, we'll understand them. Fine, some people or some student actually find it difficult, but see, if you know the simple bit of tricks here and there, then it's very easy to solve these kind of questions. Okay, so here we have dx by d theta. We can write this one as x by 5 plus 1 sine square 2 theta. Yeah, then transfer dx by d theta is equal to x plus 5 upon 5 sine square 2 theta, right? Now transfer this part to the left and d theta to the right, means separation of variables. So it's a 5 by x plus 5 dx is equal to sine square 2 theta d theta. Yeah, so this is first part. Fine, now here we have to put out the integration sign plus c. That's it, that's the initial part that we have to do. Then nextly we have, simple, I hope you must have learned integration of sine square theta, cos square theta, right? So for your understanding purpose, I will write here sine square theta. We have to firstly use the identity. So sine square theta is equal to 1 minus 2 cos theta upon 2. Fine, so this integration sign or symbol I will remove it because it's not necessary here. So this identity we have to use. We have left hand side part, it's a 5 ln of x plus 5 is equal to, now for integration of sine square theta we can write as a integration of 1. Now here in the, if you look at this one, this is 2 theta is there, so what will be here, it will be 4 theta. Keep in mind, so it's a sine 1 minus cos of 4 theta upon 2 d theta plus c as it is. Getting it? So if you take the integration, now take the integration 1 upon 2 out. Fine, so integration of 1 is just a theta minus cos of 4 theta becomes sine 4 theta upon, in differentiation of 4 theta it will be 4 plus c. That's it. Now this is these are the initial conditions that we have to apply. All right, so even multiply this 1 by 2 in the bracket. Yeah, so we have 5 ln of x plus 5 is equal to theta by 2 minus sine 4 theta by 4 plus c. Now we have to figure it out the c. Here to figure it out c, we have to put out the initial conditions when x is equal to 5, right? Here x is equal to 5, theta is, when theta is 0, basically x is equal to 5 we have. So it's a 5 ln of 5 plus 5 is 10 is equal to theta is 0, 0, sine of 0 is 0. So c is equal to 5 ln of 10. Yeah, then substitute here. Yeah, so it will be 5 ln of x plus 5 is equal to theta by 2 minus sine 4 theta by, oh, here when you multiply 2, it's basically 8. Keep in mind, okay, don't make these kind of silly small mistakes, okay, I am telling you, because you will lose unnecessary marks. Okay, so then c part is actually plus 5 ln of 10. Fine, now transfer it to the left. When you take to the left, we have to apply the laws of logarithm as well. So it become minus means division. So it's a 5. I will write straight away ln of x plus 5 upon 10, because it's a subtraction and that becomes division. So it's a then theta by 2 minus sine of 4 theta by 8, right? Okay, then next part is we have to transfer 5 to the right, then ln to the right, and make the x subject. Okay, firstly transfer 5 to the right, ln of x plus 5 upon 10 is equal to, when you transfer to the 5 to the right, it becomes division. So it's 1 upon 5 theta by 2 minus sine of 4 theta by 8, isn't it? Now multiply in the bracket this 1 by 5. All right, so it's a ln of x by x plus 5 upon 10 is equal to theta by 10 minus sine of 4 theta by 8 times 4 is, sorry, I mean 8 times 5 is 40. Yeah, that's it. Okay, then transfer this part to the right. It's a x plus 5 upon 10 is equal to e to the power of whole thing. Okay, so theta by 10 minus sine of 4 theta by 40, right? Now transfer this 10 to the right and 5 also to the right. So x becomes 10 times e to the power of theta by 10 minus sine of 4 theta by 40, isn't it? And minus 5. This is the final answer. And that's why this question is for 7 marks. So if you write step by step like this, then and then you will get out marks. Okay, so all these questions we have added to our website as well. These kind of questions, extra questions are available on the worksheet pages. So yeah, it take means I would say subscription for AS and A level 2-year subscriptions are there. Fine, it's $30 and no need to buy the book, because books are sometimes the conceptual parts are not updated or up to date. So we have up to date added all these things. That's it. Enjoy the math. Fine.